What's up, traders? My name is Red, and this is the Red Day Trading Channel, where we don't just survive the red days, we embrace them as stepping stones to become a stronger and more disciplined trader. I've been a top stat funded trader since 2024, and I've been steadily growing my account with a win rate of only 25%. That means when it comes to losses, I face them multiple times a day. I felt all the emotions that come with trading: frustration, excitement, overconfidence, doubt, you name it. I create these daily trading recaps as a way to reflect on my trades, pinpoint areas of improvement, and share the lessons I've learned along the way. My goal is to show that even as a profitable trader, I experience the same emotional roller coaster as everyone else. By sharing my journey, I hope to help you stay disciplined, grow, and navigate the challenges of trading. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button. It's the easiest trade you'll make all day, and returns are huge. It helps other traders find this video and lets me know this content is hitting the mark. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a recap and insight. Now, let's break down today's market action and how it all played out. Hello everyone, welcome to the Wednesday's edition of Trading Recap. Just as a quick reminder, I only trade ES futures on the TopStep X platform, so all the price action and trades I discuss will focus on that market. So I took 2 trades today. Let's go straight into them. Here we go with my first trade today. What was the plan? I wanted to see the price continue after whipsawing at New York Open. I would enter the trade here, target here. On this green line, if I'm in this trade, I would move the stop to break even, or if the price moves without me and hits the line, I would cancel the order. Let's see what happened. So as soon as I put in my order, the price whips back down. I almost got stopped out. I set my order and moved away from my computer for a minute, and when I came back, I couldn't believe it. I guess you can call that lucky, but I stuck to my plan and I think it paid off. But this trade took a long time, over 90 minutes to complete. It came close to my entry and it seemed all hope was lost. But as I mentioned multiple times on my trades, retesting around my entry did the trick. If you remember yesterday's break-even trade, I talked about why I held my trade to break even and didn't close early. It's for days like this. The price seems to really like testing my patience before hitting my intended target. Yesterday, it was just unfortunate that the price moved far enough that I moved my stop to break even. I'll never stop emphasizing that once you have a plan, you keep it consistent. It's the only way to navigate these seemingly random market movements. Anyway, this trade really tested my patience and took so long to complete. What do you guys like to do while you're in a trade, especially if it takes this long? Do you just sit there and watch the trade, or do you do something else to distract yourself? Comment down below if you have a full-time job and trade on the side like myself. Let me know. So anyway, this trade hit my target, and guess what? The last time I had a trade hit my target and had an actual win was back in January 2nd. Isn't that crazy? I think other than the holidays and a few break-even days, I've only had red days. It was nice to be able to have a genuine win that I worked for. Okay, on to the next trade. I don't know about you guys, but after I get a win, I get genuinely nervous about placing another trade because there's this fear of losing money that I already made. But that's the human side of me talking. The next trade has nothing to do with what I already done in the past. I need to look at it as its own thing. As long as I don't spiral out of control and revenge trade, I should take every trade that I planned for. So what was the plan for this next trade? I noticed we ranged during the lunch hour, and I was expecting the price to go higher, trapping the premature sellers. So my plan was to enter on this fair value gap, target here, and move my stop or cancel the order if the price hits the green line. And I got stopped out. I'm not gonna lie, this did not feel great. There's that instant regret of why take this trade at all when I could have just walked away for today, but that's not what my plan was. As long as I can control my emotions, keep taking those trades that I planned for, pull me ahead in the long run. These emotions of nervousness and regrets are all temporary and only cloud your judgment. The only important part is that I didn't get salty about this loss and decided to jump back in and get back what I lost. Improvising like that is where all the damage happens. I talk about improvising and other habits in my newest video, 5 toxic habits every trader should avoid. You guys should check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. So even though I lost this trade, at the end of the day, it felt like a relief that I came out ahead. I feel like I waited a whole month to have this happen. So my overall P&L for today was a green day. I swear if you surround yourself with only break-even or red days, instead of feeling like you're this trading god when you win, you feel like you're doing a day's honest work, if that even makes sense. But I'm happy to have a green day today and I get to continue my trading journey. I'm going to stay humble and I'm going to keep in mind that red days are coming down the line. And if I mentally prep now, I can weather the storm better. How did your day go today? If you had a green day, congrats. I hope it was by following your plan and not gambling. And if you had a red day today, as you'll see with me, I've gone multiple weeks without winning. So be patient and stay in the game. Your day will come. If you found value in this trading recap, please give it a like and subscribe for more of these and other trading related videos. Don't forget to watch my newest video going over 5 toxic habits you should quit today as a day trader. And remember, we don't shy away from the red days. Instead, we embrace them to grow stronger and become better equipped traders. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Red signing out.